Today, we're taking a calm look at 10 affordable classic cars and trucks. Real listings, real conditions, no exaggeration. Some run, some need work, all priced within reach. Let's take a closer look. Car 1, 1975 Ford F250 long bed, $3,000. This 75 F250 Super Cab long bed shows 120,000 miles and runs with a 360 FE engine and automatic transmission. It runs and drives well, and the frame is described as solid. It may need front floor pans, but overall it's considered a solid truck. Being a Super Cab makes it somewhat less common. It also features dealer-installed dual-piston front disc brakes. Clean title in hand. Not restored, but usable and honest. A straightforward vintage work truck with some minor metal needs. Car 2, 1965 Chrysler Newport sedan, $3,000. This two-owner 1965 Chrysler Newport four-door comes with a rebuilt 383 V8. The engine has been fully refreshed internally, including cam, bearings, rings, and electronic ignition. It runs, drives, and stops, with new brake components installed. Interior shows some seat wear, but the dashboard is in excellent shape. There is rust in the rear quarters, and the driver's side window glass is broken. Overall, a running classic sedan with mechanical updates and cosmetic needs. Car 3, 1969 Mercury Cougar, $2,500. This 69 Cougar project shows 80,000 miles and comes with a 351 Windsor and factory air. The car does not currently run. Floors, rockers, and trunk are described as very clean, though there is rust in the quarters and some bubbling on the doors. It is 99% complete and includes extra trim pieces and panels. Clear title included. A solid restoration candidate, but it will require mechanical recommissioning. Car 4, 1962 Ford Fairlane 500, $1,800. This Fairlane 500 project originally had a 221 V8, but the current engine is seized due to rusted cylinders. A 260 V8 is included with the sale. The trunk is solid, though it needs front floorboards and has some rust. It comes with a clean title. This is clearly a non-running project, but it appears structurally decent overall. A traditional early 60s Ford restoration candidate. Car 5, 1968 Plymouth Valiant, $3,000. This 68 Valiant 100 is being sold as a roller. Originally a slant 6 with 904 automatic, it now has no engine installed. The car is described as very solid, but needs footwell repairs in the front and rear. It has a new gas tank and sending unit, rolls and steers, and includes the grille. Title in hand. An uncomplicated Mopar project, but it will need drivetrain installation and floor repairs.
Car 6, 1971 Chevrolet Malibu four-door, $1,000. This 71 Malibu four-door has a 1972 front clip and cowl hood installed. It is currently a project car with no engine and the interior has been stripped. At $1,000, it's priced as a foundation rather than a driver. These four-door Chevelles are less common on the road today, but this one will require a full drivetrain and interior build. Not running, not complete. Strictly a restoration project. Car 7, 1977 Chevrolet C10, $2,200. This 77 C10 project has had the engine pulled due to valve noise. The lifters have been replaced and the engine comes with the truck, along with the transmission removed. The body is described as having good metal. It needs a steering column and instrument cluster. Seller recommends bringing a trailer. This is a mid-project truck, not running but appears structurally solid with mechanical work already started. Car 8, 1966 Chrysler New Yorker, $2,000. This 66 New Yorker comes with a 440 V8 and automatic transmission. It's described as all original, with clean title and long family ownership history. The seller notes it as a nice project, though specific mechanical condition isn't fully detailed. It appears complete and carries original documentation from new. A large mid-60s luxury sedan with history behind it, but still considered a project needing attention. Car 9, 1979 Triumph Spitfire, $1,500. This 79 Spitfire shows 40,000 miles and has a manual transmission. It starts, runs, shifts well, and drives straight down the road. It has a new battery and fuel pump, along with good tires. However, it needs cosmetic work: torn soft top, broken mirrors, and worn seats. Mechanically usable, cosmetically tired. A small British roadster that can be enjoyed now while improving over time. Car 10, 1975 Mercedes-Benz 240D, $1,200. Listed as a 300D but confirmed to be a 240D. It shows 185,000 miles and is diesel with automatic transmission. It turns over and reportedly ran 2 years ago. It would likely need a fresh battery and fuel to run again. Fuel tank has been cleaned and coated, and several engine components have been replaced. Interior shows typical wear, and there is rust in the lower quarters. An inexpensive diesel project, not currently road-ready but potentially revivable. Those are 10 budget classics, each with strengths, each with needs. If you appreciate honest overviews and vintage vehicles, stay tuned for the next list. Thanks for watching.